Hello, this is Blue Diamond Coasters, and that right there is the Flash Vertical Velocity, the all-new coaster coming to Six Flags Great Adventure this year in 2025. I have been waiting a long time to ride this. If you didn't know, this ride was actually supposed to open last year and got delayed, but now it's finally up and running, and I'm actually here at the media day for Flash. Great Adventure invited me out to check out the ride and share my thoughts on it, and I'm excited to get over there and get on, so let's head over and ride with the fastest man alive on the Flash Vertical Velocity. All right, so I just got a first ride on Flash Vertical Velocity in the middle of the train for this ride, and overall, this is a really fun ride. Definitely, that might be like one of the best stalls I've ever done, because you just hang there for so long. This kind of double up and then double back down is really fun. Very smooth ride, and just overall, like, just a fun, solid ride. That's kind of all I can really say about it. You know, obviously, it's a short ride. Capacity is going to be a bit of an issue once the season gets rolling, but the ride itself is really, really fun. Now, I'm not actually alone today. I'm actually joined with...
Oh, hello.
Hello, Cam, Hyper Thrills.
Yeah.
How'd you like your ride on Flash?
I really enjoy this ride. It's great to have it in my backyard so I can ride it basically anytime I want, whenever the park's open, of course. But I think it's a good addition. I think it was well worth the wait. That stall is incredible. The double down's awesome, or double up, whichever direction you're going. I honestly see this as a big win for this park.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, this is just a great fit in the park. It's also a great, like, moderate thrill coaster, kind of like in between the family coasters and your bigger thrill coasters. And I'm also joined by someone else here. What's your name again?
ES Post-Spa, right?
Yeah. Now you just got here, so we need to get you on this ride.
Yeah.
Well, Flash broke down, so
We're spending our time watching the Nintendo Direct.
The last Nintendo Switch 1 Direct. Let's go.
This is gonna make this very dated.
Researching awareness for a non-conflict means to access the speed force, a cosmic energy that pushes both space and time forward. According to this work, we are one step closer to understanding the overall capabilities of the deity. Today's experiment is to be aboard the vehicle built by Star Wars scientists. These vehicles through the speed force barrier and safely travel.
Alright, so we're about to ride again, but this ride's gonna be a bit special. Because I'm on their media list, I actually get a chance to ride in the hot seat, where they're gonna film my ride, both reverse, front, and also they're gonna have a drone flying, so really looking forward to seeing how it turns out. Hello, this is Blue Diamond Coasters, and my friend Cam here.
Hello.
Got Sean behind me and a whole group of ready riders. We're about to ride the Flash Vertical Velocity, opening this year at Six Flags Great Adventure. So, in a little bit, we'll be riding with the fastest man alive. Floors dropping, gates open. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Great kick to start. Now up the spike. Straight air. And here we go. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh my God! Oh, that airtime is insane! Here we go, through the roll! Whoa! Backwards! Oh! Alright, looking forward, here we go. Whoa! And we're back. Whoa! That is really, really fun. Yeah, that's a great ride. Definitely come out in Great Adventure, ride the Flash, Vertical Velocity. Whoa, that was fun. So, I just witnessed my first ever Flash rollback.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah.
There's everybody over there.
Oh, you can.
Cheer if you can hear me. Minor delay in operation. Operation personnel will be out there to assist you in just a moment. In the meantime, please remain seated with that seatbelt fastened. Woo!
The first evacuees of Flash. Let's go.
Finally got that elusive roll back.
Yeah, we all just all of our eardrums just got obliterated by that horn, but now it can reset itself. That's how Flash recovers.
Welcome to Starlands. Thank you for volunteering for the project known as vertical velocity. This facility is currently researching
So it's been a little bit of a while. I've been focusing on riding the ride, just getting footage of it. I believe I'm up to now 9 rides on Flash just today. And overall, I'm really enjoying it, especially in the back. I think that is my new favorite kind of area of the ride. You get obviously the highest height on the reverse spike, but you get great airtime going into the double up, and also some really great whip on that kind of roll in and out of the stall. So yeah, I think back is kind of the way to go for this ride. Smooth, great airtime, amazing hang time, and overall just a really solid and fun ride. And I realize I've been here, I don't think I've actually gotten your reaction to this ride yet.
Well, I really like it. It's probably my third favorite in the park behind Toro and Nitro. It's very close to the Jersey Devil, but in terms of the ride itself, great hang time, especially during that stall element. I love the airtime pop going into the double up and subsequently double down. Those are definitely my favorite parts. Really smooth. I love that. It makes it really rideable to an extent. But I really enjoyed this ride. I think it's a great addition to the park.
So that wraps up the media day for Flash Vertical Velocity, and one kind of new thing that I didn't notice throughout the rest of the day was onboard audio. They had it turned off for the media day just to kind of, make it a bit more quiet for the interviewers and everything like that. But for the last ride, they had employees on, and they got to turn on the onboard audio, and it sounds really great. I'm looking forward to coming here on Saturday for opening day and being able to check out the onboard audio, because that seems like a really nice touch that they were able to add to the ride. Now, what were your guys' final overall thoughts on Flash?
It was pretty good.
Okay, you?
It was pretty good.
Okay. And my thoughts are the same. Pretty good. And I do also have to add a huge shout out to Six Flags Great Adventure for inviting me out here to the media day. Also, shout out to Alpha and Omega Productions. They're the crew that's been filming the ride with the video on ride and the drone off ride. I also saw them recently at the Rapterra Media Day, and they were doing a great job there and an excellent job here as well. So shout out to you guys. So just to wrap things up, make sure you guys do the usual. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more videos like this, including ones from Six Flags Great Adventure, be sure to subscribe. Be sure to also follow @Blue Diamond Coasters on both Instagram and TikTok. What's your channel name if you want to plug it?
I have a channel?
I guess not. Anything you want to plug, Cam?
I mean, you can follow Hyper Thrills if you like. Nothing too special on it.
So until next time, this is Blue Diamond Coasters. Later.
Oh my god! Oh yeah! Here we go!